Just a real quick video here, guys. Show you this odd problem I came across here on this mower. So this is where the back axle, over here is a moment. Hello. Swung out of the way. This is where it comes through the frame, and right here, get my camera to focus, we have really nice, really tight, fairly tight fit when you would expect. That's pretty good. However, let's see, ooh, that guy right there, he's way bigger than he's supposed to be, and you can see what he's done to this bolt here. Look at that. If it doesn't look, I'm gonna let go. Light. Oh, hang on. There we go. A little light on the subject. There you go. Can you see that? The guy really doesn't look like he's very, look at that. Look how round he is. So I have no idea what to think about that, other than I'm going to take this bushing and a new bolt. I'm going to, sorry, this is very hard to do one-handed. There we go. I'm going to trim this bushing to fit on the other side of this hole, and look at that. Problem solved. And that has, that goes through this bushing, like that. This will go around that, obviously. We got some cleaning to do on that. And then, this guy has these nylon bushings here that actually go into the axle, and then the grease fitting on the axle is supposed to lube these, and this was spinning on the bolt because this was seized. This was seized, so it was actually pivoting on this bolt instead of on this piece right here. So just a little update there. A little late night piddling. Show you our latches here real quick. They're a little tricky. This thing does have some lateral movement in it. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then what you do is, oh, hi, you're looking at my feet. There we go. Like that. And that keeps you from falling off this thing when you're in motion. So that's good. So we're getting there. We've got the front bars bent down. Let's see if I can show you that real quick. We've got, where'd it go? Oh, there. So this guy here is now straight, whereas before he was curled up 90 degrees, actually almost back around. And then this guy here, they're not exactly straight, but they should be straight enough. All they do is support the back of the deck, and I'm worried if I try to bend them anymore that I'll wind up having clearance issues at the end. I'm not going to try to do too much more without just removing that whole piece, but let's see, whenever you lift the deck up with this, and then it just comes right back down. So they just have to keep the back of that deck supported, and I don't want to weaken them too much. Still got to fabricate a rod for, oh gosh, there's another grease fitting. Holy crap. This mower has more grease fittings than any other mower I've ever seen in my life. There's a good shot of that diff. You can see that. I should probably get some better lighting. But anyway, see that there. No, you don't see that. There we go, a little better light there. chain differential axles. Very similar to what you'd find in an old go-kart. So we are making lots of progress on this guy. Should be mowing soon, and next video on this will be the update for the spindles, and showing you how to put one of those together, because my lord, that is the most complicated spindle I've ever seen in my life. So anyway, just a quick update. Hope to see you guys soon. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.